Alright, so today I will show you how you can generate this trending AI mermaid video. AI mermaid video. So the first thing you do is you go to your Chrome or your browser and you type Paul Tech. Paul Tech, yes, that is the AI that you're going to use. It is completely free. You won't pay for this. Alright, so you click on Paul Tech. Please make sure you get the instructions so that you will see how you can generate such a video. So you click on the first one, which is Sport Tech. Please, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscription button. You won't regret subscribing to this channel. Alright, thank you for that. Now when you get to Sport Tech, you see different kind of videos that you can generate with it. But this video is solely for this AI mermaid. So you just type AI mermaid, AI mermaid filter, AI mermaid filter. So to bring the filter out, so you click on read more. Alright, so you can see this is how the interface looks like. So you click on read more. So once you come out, you scroll down. You can see all these AI generation. They're trying to give you the how to go about it. So, and if you want to make use of it, the hashtag you're supposed to use to make your video go viral. Alright, so these are the hashtag. So you scroll down and you look for where you will see generate. You've seen now this is generate, so you click on it, generate. So it will load. It will open another phase where you have to register your name with the app because you're making use of an app. So here is the Pixverse. So this is the picture this is the app that will be generating it for you. So once you are here now, you look for what you want to do. You see different video that you're going to use the effects. So you have different videos. So this is the one that I want to make use of it. So we're making use. I want to use this template of the feature of somebody turning into a mermaid. So you've seen now. So you now pick the feature. Then you log in. So if you've not registered, you register with your mail, or you can register with your Google account. So you pick the feature you want to use, and then you register. Okay, so you allow the Pixverse to access your phone. Then you pick the picture you want to use. So for example, this is the picture I want to use now. Okay, so you click on create. So but you select the picture. By selecting it, they will give you more coins. So please, if you're still watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and you can share with friends. This is completely free. You're not paying for this. Alright, because you're just need to generate an AI mermaid filter. Alright, so after you've done that, register and your video will be out already. So here is the video, and once it's out, the filter come out neat. So here's the video. You can see it looks so nice. So you can share or you save on your phone. So you come down and you click on save, or you see save at the top of the video. So you can save without watermark or with watermark. If you've paid, you will save without watermark, but there's no need of paying. So you can just save with watermark. So, and here comes our final video. Looks so nice. Please, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.